Hi guys, here's a quick and easy case where the vehicle wouldn't turn on, and I think it's good to reflect on some fundamentals, so come with me. So the first thing I did was to check the battery state of charge, and I got 12.7 volts indicating a fully charged battery. So the next thing I did was to perform another test that I normally do in situations like this, which is to perform a voltage drop on the terminals. I started with the positive terminal, and on this case I got 12.7 volts indicating an open on the terminal. If you look at the terminal, it looks like it's okay since it's clean and free of corrosion, but the voltage drop proved that that wasn't the case. I wanted to check it also with the test light, and as you can see, I got voltage right at the battery post, but nothing at all at the terminal. And so the repair here will be to install an OEM battery terminal. Here I already performed the repair and installed a new OEM battery terminal, and now I'm about to check, and I got power at the battery post and power at the battery terminal. And here I am now about to check if the car starts. We got the light on, and boom, voltage drop test for the win.